barrier method. We had all discussed about the in past lecture about the natural method of preventing pregnancy. Natural method of preventing the pregnancy. Today we will discuss about the barrier method. What is the barrier method? Next is the barrier method, that they are the physically or mechanical barriers. Physically, anything which is put into the vagina of the female, that is made up of physical things, यानी external things कह सकते हैं, physical और mechanical barrier provide through which we prevent ovum and sperm mating. Main motive क्या है हमारा? mating को prevent करना है. As usual जैसे natural method में था ना, in which we use the physical thing. In natural method we also prevent mating of sperm and ovum. We also prevent mating of sperm and ovum by natural method. In natural matlab any physically or external things are not put in the natural method, but here we will use the physical or mechanical things. We will use the physical or mechanical barriers provide through which we prevent. मेन मोटिव क्या है यहाँ हमारा प्रिवेंट करने का? स्पर्म और ओवम की मेटिंग को प्रिवेंट करना है, उन्हें आपस में मीट नहीं करने देना, फर्टिलाइज नहीं करने देना. इज इट क्लियर? ओवम एंड स्पर्म मीटिंग थ्रू विच वी प्रिवेंट मेटिंग ऑफ स्पर्म एंड ओवम थ्रू फिजिकल बैरियर. ओवम एंड स्पर्म आर प्रिवेंटेड फ्रॉम फिजिकली मीटिंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ बैरियर. क्या क्या है? व्हाट इज दिस बैरियर एंड हाउ इट्स यूज? What is the meaning of physical barrier and where it used? How it prevent the sperm and ovum mating? In this process, we use physical thing. In this process, in physical barrier or barrier method, we use physical thing. Here are gone. Here are gone. Use something in something externally. Here we use the something externally. In natural method, we also prevent mating of sperm or ovum, but naturally. No external things are used here in natural method. No external things are used in the natural method. But here we will use the external thing. Here we will use the external thing or material. External thing or material which help to prevent mating of sperm and ovum. यहाँ पे हम कुछ चीजें बाहर से यूज करेंगे जो हमारी हेल्प करेंगे स्पर्म और ओवम की मेटिंग को रोकने के लिए. इज इट क्लियर एवरीबॉडी? हियर वी यूज द एक्सटर्नल थिंग which help in the prevention of the mating of sperm and ovum. Is it clear everybody? Next is the here first barrier method. We will discuss about the barrier method in detail. Here we use the condoms, diaphragms, and the warts, cervical caps, IUD, etc. Is it? First is the condoms. Condoms are made up of the rubber or latex. Condoms are made up of thin rubber and latex also, used to cover the penis in the male and vagina and cervix in female. Condoms are made up of rubber and latex which are worn over the penis or the vagina, which prevent mating of sperm and ovum. That is the external thing, na? Made up of rubber or latex which is we use. Is it clear? It is the external thing. That's why it is known as a physical barrier. Is it? Next is the diaphragm. Are the devices. These are made up of rubber inserted into the female vagina. It is the thing used up by the inserted into the female vagina. They are the cervical cap. They are known as the diaphragm. Diaphragms are the cervical cap, and warts are also barrier of female to cover the cervix during the cortex. Cortex means intercourse. Is it clear? Intercourse. That is also a scientific language. They are the cervical cap. They prevent sperm movement. They prevent mating of sperm and ovum. Clear? Sperm to entering or reaching up to ovum. They prevent sperm to entering or reaching up to the ovum. Here diaphragm will here diagram will clear. You will be able to more appreciable. I'll see you diagram. Just a minute, wait. Just a minute. Carefully concentrate. Both male and female, as I told you, student, generally this is the perception, male condom only. Here is a perception that the male condom only, no female condom are, no, but female condoms are also available in the market. Male condom wear on the penis and the female condom wear on the vagina. Here one of the perception is there कि लोगों के मन में doubt होता है कि condoms are only for male, but they here female condoms are also available in the market. The male condom are worn on the penis, and the female condoms are wear on the condom wear on in the vagina. Is it clear? They are made up of thin rubber and latex thin sheath. They are very I had already told you, cover penis in a male or vagina and cervix in the female before intercourse. We use it before intercourse or courteous. Example, Nirodh. Nirodh is one of the government brand of the condom. It is the one of the government brand of condom. Now many types of different varieties of condoms are available. You had already seen different type of advertisement also. They are very user friendly. They provide privacy. Is it clear? They provide privacy. There are many types of condoms are available in the market. They are maybe user friendly. Is it? Additional benefit, prevention from STD diseases. What is the meaning of STD? Here STD is the sexually transmitted diseases like AIDS, etc., gonorrhea, AIDS, etc. Easily handleable, easily disposable, self-inserted, and privacy. Provide privacy. What should I told you? STD. What should I told you about STD? Sexually transmitted diseases. These are the sexually transmitted diseases. They are not common. You all are now going to adult and reproductively active stage. You all are going to adult and the reproductively active stage, and STDs are very common in this case. In this age, STDs are very common. You should all have good understanding. You should know about, what should I say, not common. What should I say, not common. But trust me, student, you won't be reproductively active. This is very common. In this cases, STDs. You should definitely use protection whenever you are getting into sexual intercourse after you getting marriages. You should be able to have a proper understanding. Of all these things. Is it clear? What is the pregnancy? Pregnancy is the, about the in the last chapter, third chapter. What is the pregnancy? How it is occur? Pregnancy is a very big thing. Trust me, for females especially. Hello. Pregnancy is a very big thing. Trust me, female especially. You get it is mentally and physically effectively. You should be very careful when you are reproductively active about these things. When you are reproductively active, it is very important you all try to understand pregnancy. Why happened? If happened, then if pregnancy in any case, how should you deal with this? How should you deal with this? That's why sex education. That's why sex education is very, very, very important. Is it clear? Infinite important. Sex education is infinite importance. I would you say STD uh, STD is the sexually transmitted diseases and condoms. You should definitely using protection whenever you are engaging into sexually intercourse, unless or until you have ready to have baby. You have ready to have baby. Apart from that, it is easily disposable, easily usable. Students, they do not inhibit pleasure during the sexual intercourse. They do not inhibit the pleasure during the sexual intercourse. There are benefit of using condom. They are physical barrier. Here is the condom. Is it clear? Condom. It is here is a perception I had already told about you. Only male condoms are available in the market, but there is a lots of female condoms are also available in the market. Moving forward, it is very easy. It is very easy thing. Diaphragm. These are the cervical caps. That is the cervical caps. Here, these are the cervical caps and vaults. These are the barrier made up of the rubbers. These are also made up of rubbers. One thing, note that they are the made up of rubber. Then they are inserted into the female vagina. It cover the cervix. It cover the cervix here. It block the entry of the sperm here. It block the entry of the sperm here. Is it clear? Inserted into female reproductive tract to cover the cervix during the cortex, rubber preventing the movement of sperm. Here, it prevents the movement of the sperm. Sperm come in contact with the rubber and collide with the rubber, and it is not able to move inside. It is not able to move inside. The cervical caps are reusable. Here, these are reusable. Unlike condoms, once they use, they dispose. Condoms are once they are used, they are disposed, but they are reusable. Cervical caps are reusable. They are washed it in the water and reuse it. They are washed in the water and reused it. Is it clear? Next, they are used with the spermicidals. Spermicidal. What is the meaning of spermicidal? These are the jelly-like material which kill the sperm. These cervical cap is used with the spermicide. These are the jelly-like or cream-like material which kill the sperm. Cream and the forms with barrier to increase the contraceptive efficiency, which increase the contraceptive efficiency. Is it clear, everybody? Clear, student? Next is, there are the method are not very common. These method are not very common. Cervical caps and the spermicides, foam, jellies, etc. These are the not very common. Condoms are very commonly. Condoms are very commonly and frequently used, but these methods are not used that much in India. These methods are not used that much in India. Spermicides and the jellies and foams kill the sperm. These are the kill the sperm. As usual name as spermicides, it means killing of sperm. Next is moving forward. As you show diagram, it clear you very effectively. You already see the diagram. There are like up and made up of the rubbers. Condoms are, and the condoms are made up of the rubber and latex placed over the penis and the vaginal tract of female. Cervical cap here. Cervical caps female inserted into the vaginal tract with the help of hand. Here you see that. Just a minute, wait. It is put cervical caps are put with the put into the vagina with the hand. Are you getting my point? It is a cervical cap female inserted into vaginal tract with the help of hand. In this case, sperm not enter into the uterus. Here blockage occur. Sorry. Here it block the entry of sperm. Is it clear? Sperm को enter करके यहाँ तक जाना होता है. So it block the entry of sperm. Are you getting my point? In female, it see inserted using with the hand which covers cervix completely and prevent entry of sperm. Sperm won't be able to go into the further. Sperm की entry पे क्या होता है? Prevention लग जाती है. Sperm not able to enter into the uterus. Clear बेटा जी? Jelly place over here. Jelly is also placed here. Cool बेटा जी. It is very easy. कुछ भी नहीं है इस चैप्टर में. That is fully mark scoring chapter. If you're not getting the question properly, you use your logic. Mind से आंसर करना है. Logics का यूज करना है. It's a way to look at easy chapter. Mark scoring, easy scoring chapter है. Next is the intrauterine devices. What is the intrauterine devices? Just a minute. You about the advantages of the barrier method. They are disposable, self-inserted, they are reusable. In the case of cervical cap, they are reusable. They are self-inserted condoms as well as the cervical cap. Cervical cap is put in the vaginal tract of female with the help of hand. They are disposable, easily disposable, prevent conception by blocking entry of sperm through cervix. It help in the blocking of sperm. Is it clear? Next is the intrauterine devices. Intrauterine devices, IUDs. Intrauterine devices. Intra मतलब inside, अंदर, uterine uterus devices. जो uterus के अंदर रखने वाले devices होते हैं, they are known as the intrauterine devices. अभी in last 2 minutes we had discussed about the only cervix and vaginal devices. Now we will move forward. Upper section, uterus devices. These are the uterus devices inserted by doctor or expert nurse. These devices are inserted by the doctors or nurses in the uterus through vagina. Inserted into the uterus through vagina. Is it clear, everybody? These, here we will need the perfect doctor and nurses for the IUD devices. Is it clear? Intrauterine devices. Here we will these devices are we will not use itself. Is it? Example है इसके property CU7 multi-load 375 lip loops. Is it clear? They fix into the uterus. They are three main type. They are the three main type. Here division is not occur. Three main type के हैं. Number one है non medicated. Sorry. Non medicated. Is it clear? Non medicated. And one is the non medicated, and second is the copper releasing, and third is the hormone releasing. Here is these fix in the uterus. They are mainly three type. Non medicated, copper releasing, hormone releasing. Is it clear, everybody? Non medicated, as the name pronounced, non medicated means no medicine used. No medicines are used. No medicines are used in this case. Generally devices, no medicine releasing. These devices are not releasing any type of medicine. Example है lips loop. Here is the example of lips loop. Sorry. It is the example of non-medicated IUDs. These are the, it is the example of non-medicated IUDs, यानी इंट्रायूट्रिन डिवाइसेस. इट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एग्जाम्पल आपसे पूछ लिया जाता है नेट के एग्जाम पे, सॉरी इन द नेट एग्जाम ऑल्सो, which is the non-medicated IUDs, and here is the example of lips loop. Is it clear everybody? Next is the copper releasing, as name copper T, that is the copper releasing multi-loaded 378. It is release copper. It release copper. Is it clear? Second is the copper releasing. Example copper T multi-loaded 378. It release copper. As usual, copper D है. It's mean releasing the copper ion. Is it clear? Next is hormone releasing IUDs. Hormone releasing IUDs मतलब progesterone, LNG 20. Here note example are given. LNG. One of the example is LNG 20. Is it clear? And next is progesterone. Next is progesterone. That is the hormone releasing. Is it? What is the difference between your copper releasing, hormonal releasing, and non-medicated? They are the external things. These are the external thing in the female body. It create all जो IUDs है ना, when it is put in the female tract, it increase the phagocytosis. What is the meaning of phagocytosis? Phagocytosis is a process in which our own body cell kill the our own body damage and worn out cell as well as the foreign material also. They kill the our body worn out cell and damaged cell and foreign material also. Phagocytosis मतलब eating of the cell, damaged cell, worn out cell as well as foreign particle. जो हमारी बॉडी के सेल है वो दूसरे सेल्स को खा जाते हैं और जो बाहर से पार्टिकल्स आते हैं उन्हें भी खा जाते हैं. तो हेयर व्हेन हम आईयूडीज हम फीमेल ट्रैक में पुट करते हैं ना, तो ये क्या करती हैं, जैसे ही पुट की जाती है फीमेल ट्रैक में, वहां क्या होता है, फैगोसाइटोटिक सेल का अमाउंट बढ़ जाता है, नंबर बढ़ जाता है, जिससे क्या है, जब स्पर्म एंट्री होती है तो वो फैगोसाइटोटिक सेल सारे स्पर्म को खा जाते हैं, किल कर देते हैं. इज इट क्लियर एवरीबॉडी? दे किल द स्पर्म. What is the difference between? Is it clear? They are the external thing in a female body. It increase the phagocytotic cell increase and they eat the sperm, and the phagocytosis of sperm take place when IUDs are put in the female tract. They kill it. They kill the sperm. Is it clear everybody? Everybody? Now here is the one copper T. We will discuss about the copper T. When it is put in the female uterus, phagocytosis apart from the copper ion reduce. Phagocytosis increase होगा firstly phagocytosis increase. Apart from that, copper ions are released, which reduce the, why copper ions are releasing here? It reduce the sperm mobility. It reduce the sperm mobility, यानी sperm की movement को ही रोक देगा. स्पर्म धीरे धीरे चलने लग जाएगा, जैसे वो बहुत स्पीड से चलता है वो उसकी मोबिलिटी को ही रोक देगा. एंड फर्टिलिटी यानी इट डैमेज द कैपेबिलिटी ऑफ फर्टिलाइज द ओवम. इट रिड्यूस द कैपेबिलिटी टू फर्टिलाइज द ओवम कैपेसिटी एंड डिक्रीज व्हेन स्पर्म come in reduce the mobility as well as the fertility of the sperm. Copper T and the multi-load 375 are the example of this. Copper T and multi-load 375 are example of the copper releasing IUDs. Is it clear everybody? Next is the here hormone. Here next is the hormones. Sorry. Copper ions are released, suppress sperm motility and fertilizing capacity of sperm. Is it clear everybody? Next we will discuss about the hormone releasing. Create hormones, what function they perform in the female body? They perform, create ovulation and implantation. They create ovulation and implantation. Embryo fitting also in the uterus. They need all these process. We need progesterone. Progesterone prevent implantation and ovulation. Here, progesterone prevent ovulation and implantation. There are three types. I had already told about that. The IUDs are the three types. They are of three types. They are the three types: non-medicated, copper releasing, hormone releasing. IUDs are the more effective. They are more effective. They put into the female tract and they kill the sperm as they kill the sperm as phagocytosis, and they block the entry of the sperm inside the uterus. They are put into the skin, which is release hormone. Hormone releasing. They are put into the skin and where it is releasing the hormone. Is it clear? Right, student? Right, student? Clear, beta ji? Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Next
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
okay. Right, student. Implant, they are very injectable. Now you see some having are injected into the body, which give us a contraceptive ability. They are very effective medium. Some are the contraceptive are the injected directly in the female body, which provide the contraceptive ability, like the delay in the pregnancy. Is it clear? Pills are the mediocre, but IUDs are the more effective. Here is the diagram. Just a minute. It is the property. Sorry, just a minute. These are the properties. Is it? IUDs are inserted in the female uterus with the help of perfect doctor and the perfect nurse. Is it clear? And IUDs, this is the very most effective method. This is the very most effective method. Least effective are the barrier method. These are the, just a minute. These are the less effective. Means these are the less effective because these are the natural method. Least effective method are the barrier method, pulling out naturally method, condoms, and periodic absence, means menstruation cycle based. Are you getting my point? Is it clear? And the mediocre are the pills method. These are the mediocre, injectable and the pills, etc. Is it clear? जो हमारे pills method है, these are the mediocre. These method are the mediocre. Pills हो गया, injection हो गया. Is it clear? And these are the very less effective method. And last is copper T and the multi-load 375. These are the very effective method. Clear, beta? Clear hai, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Now, next method is the, we will discuss about tomorrow, surgical and the sterilization method. We will talk about later. Most of the time, अगर आपको question not getting, try to answer it logically. You have to answer the question logically. Pulling out is a quiescent interruption. Quiescent as name से इसको indicate कीजिए. Pulling out is the quiescent interruption, means intercourse में interruption है. अगर क्वेश्चन नहीं समझ आता, पूरा लॉजिक लगाएंगे. दैट इज वेरी मार्क्स स्कोरिंग चैप्टर है. इज इट क्लियर? दैट्स व्हाई आपको मैंने रट्टा नहीं लगाया, पूरी अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्रिएट की है. गुड प्रोस्पेक्टिव एज ए डॉक्टर, यू गॉट इट. आपको इनके बारे में ग्रेट नॉलेज होनी चाहिए. Is it clear everybody? Next is exactly I had told you IUDs, phagocytosis and the spermicide in uterus increase करते हैं. Copper Ts, copper ion release करते हैं, which decrease the mobility and fertility capacity of the sperm. Hormone releasing क्या करते हैं IUDs? Make uterus unsuitable for implantation and cervix hostile. What is the meaning of cervix hostile? Anybody? Not welcoming the sperm. Hostile means not welcoming the sperm. Is it clear? Not welcoming the sperm. Here is a point. Just a minute, wait. I'll see the screen. Just hormone releasing IUDs make the uterus unsuitable for implantation and cervix hostile to the sperm. Hostile means है not welcoming the sperm, मतलब like नहीं कर रहे कि sperm enter करे. They are very effective. Example is very important and it is helpful in the delay in pregnancy or space in the children. Delay in pregnancy and space in children. मान लीजिए कोई newly married couple है और उन्हें एक baby हो गया है. After that they don't need any baby about 4 or 5 years. Then these type of methods are used. Is it clear? Yes, by student, there are the possibility of the side defect also. Tomorrow we will discuss in the detail. Any query regarding to this section, beta? Anybody? Any query regarding to this section?